vehicle year is this?
It's a 91 Dodge D150.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, little experiment, trying to see first.
Everybody give Skylor a thumbs up. YouTube JacobViral. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, sir? JacobViral, how you doing, man? Just could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Skylor Richard. I got 2 American-based HD15s in a 4th order on a SFB 5K.
Okay.
And then all audio leads and mids and highs on a Sundown SIA 3500.
Okay. So I'm trying to figure out where your port and all is.
Directly behind you.
Okay.
So there's a little,
okay.
yeah.
Got it. Okay, so the panel port's right here, and you built it into the trunk.
Yes, sir.
Back area. Oh wow, so this is okay.
Yep. So
What vehicle year is this?
It's a 91 Dodge D150.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, little experiment, trying to see first 4th order I've ever built.
Yes, sir.
So,
how do you like it versus like a ported box?
I had one American Base 15 in a console, and this one right here is a lot lower, way a lot on half power.
Yeah.
It does pretty good.
Okay. Oh, I can see in there you got the lights. Looks really good. Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Nice job.
Got a bunch of scrap wood.
Okay. Do you know your specs on your box at all? Like
2 to 1.
2 to 1? Okay.
7 sealed, 14 ported. Tuning. Not really sure about it. I just know it likes 28 to 32.
21 to 32? Okay. I like it. Did you do any SPL burp tests?
I have not.
Okay.
I have not. I've had it a week.
A week. Okay. Is this that 1 ohm?
2 ohms.
2 ohms.
Yes, sir.
So it's
They're dual 2s wired to 2 ohms.
Okay, so you're getting about half the power there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The plan is to get 2 of them per sub at 1 ohm.
Any electrical upgrades? Battery alternator power?
2 AGMs and did a upgrade alternator, a 120, and it comes with a 40 amp, so I did a 120.
Okay. Is there any way you can see the back of the box?
There's not, because I built that stone wall in the back.
Okay, blocks it. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Skylor Richard.
Skylor. All right, everybody give Skylor a thumbs up. YouTube JacobViral. Going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Skylor's truck blow-through system. It is 1991 old school truck. Shout out to you, man, and everybody be sure to comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. Did a really good job. This was at the Fayetteville, North Carolina show in 2022, Ruckus and Chill. So I hope you're enjoying the video. We're about to get to a bass demo in a minute. I like the way he has a cutout on the single cab to make this box work. Really big box with the 2-to-1 ratio 4th order aspect. Anybody new watching that has no clue what a bandpass enclosure is, this is an example of one with the subwoofers inverted in the ported section. As you can see right here, this is the ported section where the port is firing on the passenger seat right behind me, where the pressure comes out of that port, and where these subs are inverted, 2000 watt RMS subwoofers, there's a sealed section behind these subwoofers that make this a 4th order enclosure. And he said it was running at a 2-to-1 ratio where it's 7 sealed, 14 ported. If you divide the 14 and 7, that gives you that 2-to-1 ratio aspect. So, hope you're enjoying the video. If you have any questions ever, let me know in the comment section as well. Looking forward to y'all's comments as well for positive feedback about Skylor's truck system. Be sure to subscribe for daily cardio videos and enjoy the demo. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Is it louder window up or down?
Down. To me, it's down.
Okay.
A little more windy.
All right. Nice job, man.
Appreciate it.
You did a good job with I know you said it was an experiment to get the 4th order box built, but you did a really good job. I like it, man. And you don't expect it when you get in this little single cab truck. You're like, there's a system in there, and you're like, oh wow, pretty nice big system.
I built the bed cover actually yesterday out of some plywood because they don't make one. So
Yeah. Is there any way you can see the back of the box?
there's not, because I built that stone wall in the back.
Okay, blocks it. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Privilege
sir.
for the demo. What was your name?
Skylor Richard.
Skylor. All right, everybody give Skylor a thumbs up. YouTube JacobViral. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.